Welcome to the Holiday Hop with myself, you&meFPP, Colleen from Colleen Sews and Chats, and Melissa from Practically Creative. We are going to hope you enjoy our quick Christmas makes. Thank you. Hi everyone, welcome to my first of the Holiday Hop videos. In this one I'm going to make a cushion cover. It's very simple. It's got an envelope back, so there's no zips or anything to go in it, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. So today is the Christmas cushion. As I stated earlier, it's the first one in my session, and it's using Lewis and Irene fabric panel called the 12 Days of Christmas. The holly fabric is from the same range, and as you can see, it comes in meterage. So you start by taking the panel, cutting them into the strips, and they're 3 inches wide. You take your contrast fabric and you cut it to the same width, 3 inches, fold it in half and place that between the folds, between your pieces of your strips of your Irene and Lewis. You're then going to flip and what I call flip and flop the way the direction of the pieces go. To make your back in, you take 2 pieces, the same width but longer, 3 inches longer, so that you've got a good overlap. And you take your front side, your front piece, as it says, face up, sorry. And then you're going to place your backing fabrics so that the fold is into the middle. You're folding your pieces in half. Place it so that your folds are in the middle and they will overlap when you're doing that. So you'll have about 3 inches overlap, which gives you your pocket. You're going to pin it all the way around and then sew all the way around. You don't need to leave an opening because your pocket is there for you to turn it through. So once you've done that, clip the corners to reduce the bulk, and that helps when you're turning it through. Turn it the right side out and you have yourself a cushion cover, which looks quite good with having the flip and flop of the fabric panel underneath.